In today's video, we're going to learn how to update the tooltips for individual form fields from within Adobe LiveCycle Designer. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's jump right in. This document contains multiple tables that have checkboxes in the fields for yes, no, not available, and then there is some content on the left-hand side. So in this particular example, I am updating my tooltips to reflect the content from the left-hand side and then update the checkboxes. So in this example, we have reading order of slides has been verified via the reading order pane. I'm going to copy that text and then selecting my checkbox, I have my accessibility tab opened, and under the tooltip option, I have some text that has already been filled in and I'm simply going to overwrite it. So it says reading order of slides has been verified via the reading order panel. Yes. And then I'm going to go to the no tab and simply paste in my answer and then keep going through in A. And then I have about 10,000 more checkboxes to do. That concludes this very short video on how to add an appropriate tooltip for the accessibility of a form field from within Adobe LiveCycle Designer. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.